If you're looking for a travel electronics bag organizer, then this video is for you. I bought and tested out 6 different travel electronics bag organizers. I'm going to be going over the pros and cons on each and telling you what I like about them. Keep in mind that this video isn't sponsored by any of these bags that you see here. Everything is purely my opinion based on my experience of actually using these bags. So let's get started with the video. So starting with the first bag, this is the Orient Travel Accessories Electronics bag. So this one is the largest of all the 6 that we've got. So let me actually go ahead and open it up and show you how I packed it. So here up top, we've just got a bunch of cables. We're talking like iPhone cables, micro USBs, some USB cables. Up here, up top, also down here, there's a lot of mesh pockets that you see over here, right? The bands themselves, they do feel really tight, which is something I like. Over here, we've got another mesh pocket. It zippers up and closes. Now, one thing I do want to show you is actually how an iPad fits into here. So here I have one of my iPads. It actually does fit right up top, closes up. And if you wanted, your iPad could actually fit in here. So again, this is the largest of all the bags, the Orient Travel Accessories bag. It's also got a nice handle here, but let me actually show you the other compartment, right? But just showing you proof also that the iPad does fit in there. But let me close this up and actually show you the inside. So here on the inside, again, more mesh pockets that are not zippered, more mesh pockets here. We do have a zippered mesh pocket, sorry, I apologize for that. And another strap here. And multiple places to actually place your, let's say, multi-plug outlet, even fit in an iPhone cable or basically the plug for your iPhone cable or laptop. More cables here. This is where I put my HDMI cables. But as you can see, there's a lot of different things that you can fit into this bag. I'd say the only thing I'm not a big fan of is how big it is. But because I travel with a lot of cables, I'm talking laptop, iPad, HDMI cables, a multi-plug outlet for when I travel internationally. This does do the trick and it does fit everything. I could even fit in like a portable charger inside here as well. But let me actually show you. So with packing a lot of things, of course, it does get heavier. And again, sometimes I do fit my iPad inside here. And it's not just the iPad. It's actually got the Magic Keyboard itself, but it does fit perfectly inside there. And at any time, you can basically just use this as your overall large travel accessories electronics bag. So next, we've got the Ismo Electronics Organizer bag. So this one, you've got a nice, neat handle over here. But let's go ahead and open it up. I really love the design of this bag, but up top, we've got a non-zippered mesh pocket here. Basically all the mesh pockets are not zippered. So I'm looking like this is where your SD cards fit. Here we have like separate compartments for different hubs and cables and such. So not too much here. I'd say overall, not for individuals who want to pack like a laptop and such, but it does fit maybe like compact cameras and the charging cables for that as well, your iPhone. But it is a medium-sized electronics organizer bag with basically 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. These compartments, I do want to mention, they do come out so you can adjust them as needed. It doesn't have to be shaped like this. If you wanted, you could actually just rip out the whole entire thing and this could just be one big pocket. I do wish that there are pockets on this side over here. Okay, but I imagine using this travel electronics organizer bag for an individual who carries around like a compact camera, doesn't really carry on lenses. Basically, the lens comes with it itself. But again, SD cards can fit in here. Your camera charger can fit in here. Maybe like a portable SD hard drive or HD hard drive can fit in here or here. And your camera itself can actually fit in here. So this is what I imagine it being used for, is an individual who uses it as for like a compact camera. So next we have the Cow DK Travel Electronics Organizer bag and also the FYY Travel Electronics bag organizer as well. So to my surprise, these actually are quite identical as far as like the wrist strap goes, which I really do love wrist straps, but it's basically just a reverse image of each other, okay? So I'm not gonna be going into too detail regarding the differences between the two, just because they're so identical in nature. But we'll start with this one as well and basically just go over this one only. So here we have an open pocket, open mesh pocket, open mesh pocket. All the mesh pockets are open. Here we have a place for like a big portable charger and then just an open pocket here as well. So nothing really zippers down except for the main compartment itself. I'd say this is great for anyone who basically just uses like a portable charger to travel with alongside with iPhone cables. It works great for a large portable charger. And again, other cables here, other cables here. Not much to say here as far as like the separate compartments go. I'd say the biggest thing I do like about this bag is the wrist strap here, okay? So when I'm out and traveling, this wrist strap actually does come quite in handy. You'd be surprised how many times you need to put something around your wrist when you're pulling it out. But overall, it's a nice protective cover. I really love the sleek design. And again, the other one that you see right here is basically just a reverse of this one here, okay? Same exact pockets, same mesh pockets, same open pockets, same two main compartments, wrist strap. But overall, I'd say this is for, again, for an individual who's traveling, only carries around a portable charger but has cables, or basically a portable charger but has cables, only uses their phone, maybe not like an iPad or a laptop. This would work great for them. Next, we're gonna jump to the smallest bag. And so this travel electronics organizer bag is the ETrade bag. And so this is great for individuals who really wanna pack light and all they carry around is just simply a portable charger, their phone, and a cable. So again, it's a very small bag. You see there, zippers up. It's only got, I'd say, 3 main separate compartments. So you've got an open mesh pocket here, a main pocket there, and another open mesh pocket there. So it's a very simple bag. It doesn't take up a lot of room. This is for individuals who really don't carry around a lot of cables. Just simply, again, their phone, iPhone or phone cable, a portable charger, and that's it. So a very simple bag. I really do see the purpose for this bag as far as simplicity goes. For individuals who, again, aren't really technologically traveling, this bag works great. Very simple bag, doesn't take up a lot of room, very lightweight. I'd say the only thing that's missing is a wrist strap. I really do like those wrist straps. But as far as that goes, that's the ETrade Travel Electronics Organizer bag. As far as the Bag Smart Travel Electronics Bag Organizer goes, I really love the slim design of it. I mean, look how thin that actually gets. I'm actually quite excited to show you what the main compartment looks like. So if you're an individual who really loves a slim component, but also loves the organization aspect of it, this is for you. So if you carry around a lot of cables, especially for someone that is probably into photography or videography, obviously your camera won't fit into here, but this is a great cable organizer. So here you have a bunch of open mesh pockets, tight straps that you see right there, a zippered mesh pocket right over there, okay? Here you have placements for your SD cards, open mesh, or basically zippered mesh pocket there. A more looser band strap here with an open mesh pocket. But again, I think this is an absolute fantastic cable organizer bag. And like I said, it doesn't fit like your portable charger. It doesn't fit your iPad or camera or your lenses. But again, for someone to organize their cables, this is actually a great option. It's very slim, keeps your cables organized, and it really does a job in making sure that you don't lose any cables, your micro USBs, your USB-Cs, your SD cards. All of this can be really organized within this Bag Smart bag. I'd say the only thing that it's missing is simply just a wrist strap, but again, that's my own opinion. If you can do without it, I think this is a great organizer as far as the organization of your travel cables go. All right, so for the best overall travel organizer bag, I've got to give it to the last one, which is the Bag Smart. I mean, I really love how flat and compact that is. It technically really is a cable organizer. You got a lot of different compartments to put separate cables, SD cards, even small devices and such. But yeah, the best overall, in my opinion, does go to the Bag Smart travel organizer. For the best for those individuals who just carry around a portable charger and want a compact travel organizer, I got to give it to the FYY and Cow DKD compact organizers. And so with this, it's smaller than the Bag Smart, but again, I know that I'd say the majority of people, they simply just travel with a portable charger and their phone cable. And I think this is a great travel organizer for those people who just carry those two simple items. And so with it, organizes the cable, there's a slot for your charger, and so the best for a portable charger and a iPhone cable is simply just the FY and the Cow DKDK. Now for the best for the compact camera or GoPro, I've got to give it to the Gizmo. I'd say the Gizmo does a good job in keeping your camera protected. I wouldn't say like a full lens camera, but again, compact camera, GoPro, SD cards, cables, got to go give it to the Sismo travel organizer bag. And then lastly, as a special mention, I gotta mention the Orient Family travel organizer. So this is the one I particularly use, and that's because I have a lot of cables. And so I put in here iPhone cables, micro SD cables, numerous HDMI cords, charging hubs, portable chargers, and even my iPad. A special mention to this one just because I've had it for about 5 years now and I really do love this one. The only con of it is that it is quite bulky. It's not as compact, but again, if you're someone who carries a ton of cables, then the Orient Travel Organizer Electronics Cable Organizer is for you.